Bang! Neves Knives. I'm Jared. My lovely wife Kara's chilling out, and today we're doing an unboxing. I know some of the things that are in here, but not all of them. This box was sent by Timbo, and let's get into it. Today I was filming a video at work that I'm gonna wind up putting together of the day in the life of a knife. I think it's gonna be a really cool video. I got a bunch of stuff that I do at work filmed in little clips that I use a knife for at work, and I'm gonna start. You guys will see it when I do it, but this is the knife I was doing it with. So guess what? The day hasn't ended, has it? I don't know if I'll be able to get this clip in there, but all right, let's break into it. Ooh, cover your ears. Hopefully you guys weren't wearing headphones, right? All right, I'll save this bubble wrap. We got a note. I'll read that in a moment. Oh yeah, we got a full box here. All right, let's start checking them out. Well, knife, I guess you're gonna put in a little extra work that's not gonna go in the film. Ooh. Nice leather. I know we got a bunch of fixed blades. Oh, a Mora. Awesome. Ooh, got a nice edge on it too. Really nice edge. Yeah, that's comfortable. Yeah, I've never had one of these, but I can tell right now this would be a damn good knife out in the field or out in the woods or whatever. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Yeah. Never had a Mora, but I could tell that thing's, that'd be a good knife. Out in the woods. Alright, what is this? Oh, a Cold Steel. We got the Ultimate Hunter. Never tried this. That is really cool. Nice edge on this one, too. It's got some great edges on here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's cool, man. Got the Triad lock. Gotta love the Triad lock. Make sure I can drop it down on my finger. Yeah, that's cool. CTS XHP. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Make some room. Next. Ooh. Got a Civivi. Which one was this? The Civivi Backlash? Ah, man, I forget which one this one is. That is cool. Yeah, that's a good knife. I forget which one this one is, though. I know we talked about it before. It's a very popular one. One of their older ones, but a very popular one. And I could see why. It's got a nice good flat grind that gets down to really thin behind the edge. I think that's a flat. Yeah, nice. Awesome, awesome, awesome. All right, another fixed blade. Well, that's a nice sheath. Let me move some of this stuff. Oh, yeah. What is that? LT Right? That's cool. Another really sharp edge. Yeah, that's going to be awesome. That is super comfortable. Wow, that's really comfortable. It's got this swell right there. What is that? Is that micarta? Yep. Micarta. I can tell this thing is, this thing must be pretty expensive. That's a great knife. I wonder what steel is on here. It's got a good weight to it. Got a really good weight to it. Yeah, that thing's nice. That is really cool. All right. Ooh, what's in here? Oh, I feel like... Oh, yeah. The Pilar. Haha. Is this a titanium version? Let me check. No, it is not. but it does have some carbon fiber. Man, we got one of these things one time. I had to return it though. It was so bad. Like, really bad. This one's good. But the one we got, man, you couldn't even, like, open it. Like you couldn't flick it open. And we had already tried one that was nice. Then the one we bought was in a package. And then when I got it home, it was, like, off-centered, like, really, really bad. But you couldn't open it. Like, it was hard to open. Like, you couldn't flick it at all. And that was right after trying one you could easily flick just like that. And then to get it to where you could flick it, it would just have so much play and then it would rub. So I was like, yeah, I'm not even messing around with this thing. This one's pretty cool. And this one doesn't say the steel, but very cool. I'm sure you guys know a lot about that one. All right. Oh, man, we got a lot of goodies. Ooh. That is awesome. This is the old, or the original Gale Bradley titanium frame lock, or how does that go? Is it the original, or is it just the titanium frame lock Gale Bradley? I can tell you this right now, way better detent than mine. My detent is really, really light. This is awesome. That is really cool. Nice access. Yeah, I like this thing a lot. A lot. Very cool. And it's an M4. Man, these scales are nice. Not as comfortable in the hand as mine, but it's different material. And the access isn't bad. They give you a little spot right there. That's cool. That's really cool. I'm going to enjoy that one. Sure, I'm going to enjoy all of these. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh. Failed twice. What is wrong with me? What is this? The native? I think it's the native. I think. Am I wrong? I might be wrong. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments. He told me he was sending this, and now I can't even remember. Looks like he uses this one. This is cool. I like that it's a little back lock. These small knives like this with the back lock where you can flick it down right there like that and hit your finger. I like those because you can still do it one-handed without a problem. Especially once you really get used to it. Nice. All right. What? Oh, I know which one this one is. Oh, no, I don't. That was something else. That is cool. I do not know what this is. A tope? Topi? That's cool. It's like a little EDC fixed blade. That is neat. I don't think I ever said that about a knife. Neat. I like this micarta too. Oh yeah. Everything is so smooth. That's cool. And it's in 3V. Good edge on it. That's cool. I don't know what this one is though. I'll clip that in a second. Let's get to this next one. Ooh, that wood already looks beautiful. Or no, micarta. Look at that micarta already. That is gorgeous. Oh, yeah. That is beautiful. Look at that. It's so tiny. I'm going to show you guys a size comparison really quick. Look at that. It's so tiny. Here's the Pilar. Just in case a lot of people know the Pilar. It's the size of a Pilar. It is so small, but it's cool, man. That is really cool. I'd use it like this. But I could still, like, snug my hand around it if I really want to. That is cool. I like that. Kara's gonna love that. Few more, guys. Oh, yeah, I know what this one is. I haven't tried this yet. The Lightweight Mannix. Rex 45. Ooh, that's got a really sharp edge on it. Nice toothy sharp edge. Almost looks like a factory edge, but it's not. He must have did this on a KME or something. I don't think that's a factory edge. That's nice. Very sharp edge. Nice toothy edge. Yeah, kind of edges I like. That's nice. That is really cool. Alright. Oh yeah. I was excited about this one. We got to check out a Code 4 a while back, and I was in love. I don't know why I haven't gotten one. It was the other blade shape, though. This is the clip point. The one we tried was the drop point. This is awesome. I really like these. They're so thin, but just a perfect work knife, man. Like, yeah, it's a little thin in the hand for a work knife, but you could get some serious work done with one of these, especially with the triad lock. And it's just so smooth for a triad lock. But I can middle finger flick it easily. That is really cool. Definitely going to carry that. Another Cold Steel. What is this? American Lawman. Nice. That is so smooth. Holy cow, that is smooth. That's me. Oh. That is ridiculously smooth. I have never tried one of these. That's cool. I see why everybody likes them. I thought they were, for some reason, I thought they were hollow ground, though. This is flat, it feels like. I think it's flat. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it's not flat. Let's check it. No, it's flat. Yeah, flat ground. Very awesome. Can't wait to do these reviews. This is super badass. Let's set that one right here. What is this? Oh, now I'm super confused. Maybe this is the little native. I don't know which. Oh, that is so tiny. This must be the little native. That is so cool. It's so small. I bet you this is smaller than this little micarta knife. Oh no, it's bigger. That is so tiny. Maybe it just feels so tiny because I'm going all the way up here by the choil. That is cool. Very awesome. Man, it's pretty snappy though for such a little guy. All right, we got just a few more. All right. All right, all right, all right. Ooh, tops. That is sweet. That is, it's such a small grip. It's got like such a bigger blade than the handle. This is definitely a 3-finger knife. But you get a good grip on it because of these little finger, choils or chamfers, whatever you want to call it. It's really locked in. I get some serious work done with this thing. That is really cool. Looks like black micarta with orange liners, full tang. Very, very cool. Nice thick, or pretty thick blade stock, I should say. Not like crazy thick, but like, a good thickness. Oh, that thing is got some tension. Super snappy. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Hell yeah. Oh, another Cold Steel. That is awesome. I never checked out one of these either. The Recon 1. That's a cool knife. Nice. It's beastly. Like in a good way. Wonder if it's bigger than this Manix. Let me look. About no, Manix has got it by maybe it's about the same as the Manix. Ooh. Very smooth drop. Let's try that again. Look at this. Whew. That is wicked smooth. Man, that lockup, it just cracks. This is the thing. Listen to this. That thing is loud. Crack. That's awesome. Nice good ergos too, man. You can get up nice and close to that blade. Strong push cuts. That's awesome. I'm loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Looks like we got one more. Last one. What? Bark Rivers 3V. That is so comfortable. Wow. This grip right here is like just perfect for my hand. Look at the size. Oh, look at those like mosaic pins. Beautiful. Let's check them out. That is cool. I don't know what this handle material is. Looks like G10, but it could be some type of micarta. That is really cool. Very awesome in the hand. Nice and comfortable. And you got like these two little ledges right there to really grip. Looks like a full flat. Nice clip point buoy style. That's awesome. Leather sheath, nice tension, nice stitching too. Oh yeah, that smells good too. And you can tell it's from them. Very cool. Hopefully I'm putting that in the right way. Yeah. Thank you, Timbo. I appreciate this, man. Oh, this is so awesome. Definitely going to have some fun with these. Whew. Appreciate it, bud. Peace.